Railways are the backbone of the transport system of every economically developed country. Volume and speed of traffic is growing and multiple increase of load is observed. In this regard, the safety of railway traffic is becoming a priority on a global scale. Russia is the largest railway power in the world. Wide length of roads, high load, temperature extremes, different climatic zones. All this led to the adoption of strict regulation ensuring the safety of railway traffic. As a result, the number of emergencies on our railways is the lowest in the world. In this aspect, Russia is ahead of the European Union, the United States and China. This is the result of the hard work of many individuals and organizations involved in the development and manufacture of diagnostic equipment to ensure the safety of Russia's railway infrastructure. One of the world leaders in the development, production and distribution systems to ensure the safety of railway traffic is the Russian Twema company.
В этом году 25 лет исполнилось существование нашей компании. За это время пройден славный путь.
This year we have marked the 25th anniversary of our company. It's been a glorious way. We have done a lot for the needs of the railways of Russia and the world. The result of our work is that we have been exclusively engaged in ultrasonic rail floor detection. Now we are a diversified company which is engaged in railways diagnostics and gradually has become a multi-profile company, alike machine builders. Today, there is a wide range of self-propelled diesel carriages, self-propelled cars, many carriage laboratories of various types, special-purpose cars. They become bigger in size, more powerful, more comfortable and functional than the previous ones. This allows us to look into the future with confidence. Our products are operated in many countries of Europe, Asia and Africa. Today, the main activity for Twema company is development, production and supply of instrumentation and diagnostic systems to ensure the safety of rail infrastructure. Today, dozens of railway companies and subways are operating worldwide, making use of more than 300 trains and cars of various types and more than 2,500 manual and removable means of diagnostics produced by Twema company. Among our clients are the Baikonur and Plesetsk space launching sites, Moscow and St. Petersburg Metro, industrial enterprises of major Russian companies, Gazprom Neft, Lukoil, Severny Kuzbass Coal Company, the Metalo Invest Holding, the Russian Railways and the railways of Germany, Ukraine, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Poland, Israel, Mongolia, China, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Guinea and Libya. Today, the company products account for almost 3/4 of a nationwide fleet of mobile means of diagnostics. Now, the share of the Twema company's products in the fleets of Kazakhstan and Ukraine is 50 and 40% respectively. Over recent years, Azerbaijan, Israel, Poland, Bulgaria, Hungary, India and China have been demonstrating interest in the Twema company products. Memos of intention have been already signed with our counterparts in the said countries and pilot projects have been launched. The Twema company offers about 50 types of products and services for railways and other purposes. What makes our products unique is the balanced combination of such key features acclaimed by the users as modular design, which allows integrating different manual and mobile diagnostic systems, correlation of price and quality, and design simplicity. All our products are designed for versatile operation. They can be mounted on various vehicles including manual diagnostic systems and highly mobile diagnostic trains and laboratories. The software allows you to tailor products for specific tasks. When implementing its projects, Twema collaborates with dozens of high-tech firms and companies around the world, as well as with leading national specialized science and research and design organizations. This fact, coupled with in-house powerful scientific engineering and design potential, helps the company to apply innovative technical solutions to production, to implement groundbreaking ideas in the shortest possible time, and to offer the customers the best-in-class systems. Non-destructive testing was carried out at speeds of about 60 or 70 km per hour, but in the development of high-speed railway traffic, this is a great inconvenience. The high-priority requirement is the full-track way employment. Our company was the first to develop a diagnostic car that works at the speeds of about 140 km per hour. The company's quality management system is certified according to ISO 9001 and International Railway Industry Standard (IRIS). thus confirming the outstanding properties of our products that the end users can enjoy. The railway industry is a special sphere that sets stringent requirements to the equipment used, which can be met by not so many manufacturers in the world. It is not only with high safety and innovation that the reputation is built. The company continuously monitors its products in operation. The company's specialists are also constantly working on improving the products that are in the customer's use. The Twema company paid great attention to the training of highly qualified professionals that can operate and maintain the equipment with high competence. For this purpose, in September 2009, a non-governmental educational institution of continuing professional education, Center for Training of Technical Diagnostic Specialists, was created. Classrooms at our center are fully equipped with computers, simulators, training software, various equipment and visual aids. The theoretical course is followed with practical classes, which take place on the premises directly using the technical samples of diagnostic techniques. We have trained over 2,500 people, namely specialists of the Russian railways, specialists of subways of Moscow and St. Petersburg, specialists for many industrial enterprises, specialists of Armenia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Tajikistan, Ukraine and Israel. The developed technical support service and availability of our own personnel training center enables us not only to promptly put any equipment into operation, even the most sophisticated equipment, but also to maintain the efficiency of the systems through timely and quality service. Seventh car, which Sverdlovsk Railway received from the Twema company, is the car of high quality. All the flaws that are discovered during acceptance procedure are removed quickly and efficiently. Twema has been collaborating with OAO RZD, Russian Railways, for more than 20 years. The company designs many of its products following the decisions of OAO RZD as directed by the government of the Russian Federation. In the year 2008, the company was acclaimed by Vladimir Putin, the government and the management of railways during their visit to the Integral Diagnostic Complex. In recent years, Twema is actively integrating into the global railway market of diagnostic products, expanding cooperation with foreign partners in joint projects. The company products are becoming more and more popular on the markets of Europe and Asia. Thus, in December 2011, Twema became the first Russian company to win the tender of the German railways to equip their diagnostic trains video system for non-stop monitoring. A joint pilot project of the Twema company and Chinese South Machine Building Corporation, launched 3 years ago to produce diagnostic equipment for the PRC railways and subways, is progressing successfully. In particular, in line with this project, a diagnostic rail car for subway has been created. In May 2014, this product helped the company and its partners win the tender for the supply of self-propelled rail cars for the diagnosis of the Beijing subway railway, surpassing the American competitors. Testing of the company's products in other countries is already becoming a tradition. Thus, in 2012, the LDM-LR Railroad Non-Destructive Inspection Mobile Laboratory was successfully tested in Germany. In July 2013, the ECO Complex 2 was installed and successfully tested on vehicles of the Hungarian Center for Diagnosis. In May 2014, similar tests with GPR equipment were carried out in Poland. Demonstration of our diagnostic equipment in several countries of Europe and Asia helped to prove its advantages over competitors, and soon to be used in the diagnostic system of the railway infrastructure of these countries. Benefits of Twema products are confirmed not only with relevant patents and certificates, but also with numerous awards at the largest specialized international exhibitions the company has been participating in for the past 2 decades. These are the largest forums in Europe and Asia, such as Intertrans in Berlin, Expo 1520 in Russia, IF in Münster, Eurasia Rail in Istanbul, IREE in Delhi, CRTS Rail Transit and Modern Railways in China. Since 2014, the Twema company has been an associate member of the Organization for Cooperation of Railways, OSJD. It shares its experience with the railroad workers of different countries, which helps the organization to develop truly relevant documentation for use in the transport networks of the OSJD in member countries.
Мы создали замечательный замечательный коллектив конструкторов, разработчиков, программистов.
We have created a great team of developers, designers, programmers and managers. All creative-minded active people who readily perceived everything new. We perceive any crisis as an opportunity to revitalize our production, to revive our activities. In each crisis period, we have grown considerably, sometimes even doubling our production. Our team will allow us in future to do a lot of good for the safety of the railroads, but primarily for the needs of Russia. However, we are quite active in international markets, such as China and Germany and Western Europe. In fact, our interests extend even beyond the ocean. In the coming 5 years, we will be in the position to become one of the most renowned companies in the world in the field of railroads diagnostics.
Самых признанных компаний в области диагностики